Does snoring mean sleep apnea? There are rough estimates that 20 to 50% of people who snore have sleep apnea. Especially when you have following symptoms which are associated with snoring, you need to get evaluated. If you have choking episodes in the night, you need to get up suddenly in the night because of breathlessness. If you have to visit the washroom multiple times in the night, if you get up in the morning and if you don't feel fresh, you feel headache and all those kind of symptoms, then you might be having fatigue throughout the day, drowsiness during the daytime, even while doing work, while driving. And if you have symptoms apart from this like cardiac issues, blood pressure, diabetes, which are not getting controlled, even on routine medicines, if you have had heart attacks, then you need to get yourself checked for sleep apnea. For more such updates, please follow my page.